So why is the stock market dropping right now? What's going on, team? It's Ricky with Technical Solutions here with a quick little market update. I'm going to start sharing my screen and explain to you exactly what report was released today. For those that are unaware, we actually live streamed this within my Learn Plan Profit live trading session. We went live for about an hour today, and it's because we were made aware of this consumer index report that is released on the last Tuesday of every single month. This one was released 30 minutes after the market opens, and if you were asking the question, this is SQQQ. SQQQ rises when the NASDAQ market drops. And we could see that right at 10, there was a positive catalyst for SQQQ. And yes, it was this report. Market sentiment was already kind of somewhat choppy. As we talked about in yesterday's video, the NASDAQ market was at a critical resistance level. Not only does Jerome Powell speak tomorrow, but this report was released today. And one of the main things that you need to understand about this report is, first off, the index fell to 98.7. This is down 4.5 points from the last month. Again, this report is released every single month. What does this report tell us? Why is this useful? So the consumer confidence report is pretty much just asking, if I'm not mistaken, 5,000 US households, how confident they are in our economy, how confident they are in spending money, how confident they are on our overall economy. And they take that data and then make this report. Again, this report is released every single month. So when consumer confidence is high, the way that we interpret that is that consumers are willing to spend more money than to save it. When consumer confidence is low, as we saw drop, then consumers are less likely to spend money and therefore tend to save it. What happens when consumers spend less money? Well, consumer spending makes up a big portion of our GDP. When GDP is down, then again, this is what can transition us into somewhat of a recession. This is where the fear is instilled. And this is what the Federal Reserve and Jerome Powell has been speaking on by raising interest rate, making it less attractive for people to spend money, and therefore possibly putting us into a short-term recession. So I just wanted to make sure that, I feel like people make it super complicated to understand what these reports are. It's literally exactly what it says. It's consumer confidence. If consumer confidence is high, then again, they tend to spend more on average. If consumer confidence is low, as it dropped, right, and rightfully so, right? Interest rates are rising. It makes sense on why we're seeing a drop. While as consumer confidence is low, then again, that is why the market is reacting in the way that it is. SQQQ is up 5.3% on the day, going to TQQQ, the exact opposite, 5.2%. I made a video yesterday, and I talked about this resistance level at this EMA line. This resistance level has been present ever since the beginning of the year. People continue to ignore that same critical level and that same resistance level. You can either choose to ignore it, or as you can see, it's been validated literally almost every single time except once for the month of March for the entire year of 2022. I'm all about being aggressive with taking advantage of opportunities. But don't be naive, right? Market direction is not in our favor when it comes down to, the NASDAQ, when it comes down to the S&P 500. As of right now, it is in my best interest, at least, to be selective. I don't know about you and how aggressive you want to approach the market, but Jerome Powell is going to be speaking tomorrow. I am going to be live streaming that. And again, all I literally ask you to do is get this video to over 1,000 likes, and we can live stream that and see how the market ends up reacting. And again, that live stream is going to be 30 minutes before the market opens. So all you literally have to do is subscribe to the channel, drop a thumbs up on this video, and show up 30 minutes before the market opens. I do agree, it is an early live stream. You either show up and you take part of it and you're aware of what and how the market reacts, or you just wake up at market open and either see it in the green or in the red based off of what is said. So I'm excited to follow up. I just wanted to provide you guys with a quick little overall market update on what is causing the market as of right now to pull on back, and for you to have a little bit of a better understanding on that consumer index report. I really do appreciate you guys' time. I hope that I earned your thumbs up. And again, friendly reminder, I do live stream every single day exclusively to my Learn Plan Profit group. And if you want to be able to watch me trade live every single day at market open, I encourage you, take 1 minute, click that second link down below, learn a little bit more about our Learn Plan Profit group, and see if it's a good fit for you. Appreciate your time. Hope that earned a thumbs up. I'll see you tomorrow for our live session. And like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.